and welcome to Delightful Creations. Today I will be going over 3 different ways for you to hold your yarn, which includes how I hold my yarn as well. If you are new to crocheting, it is important to develop a way that is most suitable for you to hold your yarn and hook so that you can crochet in the most comfortable position. With that being said, be sure to check out my first video on how to make a slip knot. So without further ado, let's get started. You are first going to put your yarn in between your ring finger and your pinky. You're going to wrap it around twice where there is 2 loops on the bottom of your pinky, and then you're going to wrap it around your index finger or over the top of your index finger, and then you will hold your thumb and your middle finger so that it is on the knot where your slip knot is at. That is where you would hold it once you are ready to start actually making chains. So the second way is to put the yarn again in between your ring finger and your pinky. You're then going to wrap it around once, and only once this time, to where there's only 1 loop on the bottom of your pinky. And then you're going to take it underneath and then over under your index finger and then over the top to where you have 1 loop over the top of your index finger. So again, in between your middle or ring finger and your pinky, and then wrap around once your pinky and then underneath your fingers and then over the top of your index finger to where you have 1 loop. And then the last way, which is the way that I feel most comfortable holding my hook and yarn, is first again in between your pinky and your ring finger. We're going to wrap it around once to where again there's only 1 loop on the bottom of your pinky, and then we're going to take it over the top of the index finger, wrap around once and twice where there's 2 loops on the top of my index finger. That is the most comfortable way for me. And it's actually the opposite of the first way, which the first way was 2 loops on the bottom of my pinky and then a 1 loop over the top of my index, if that makes sense. And I hope it does. So once you develop the most comfortable way for you to hold your hook and yarn, you'll then be ready to begin to move forward in making your first set of chains. So please